Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can match cut with audio in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to match cut with this audio. As you can see, I have added my audio to this CapCut project. And if you want to match cut with the audio, we're going to add audio beat or bit mark to this audio. You can click on your audio like this, and then you are going to click on this beat mark or the marker. You can add the beat mark manually, or you can also use the AI feature to automatically add beat mark to your audio. And I'm going to use the AI. I'm just going to click on this AI beat mark, and then we can choose beat 1 or beat 2. I'm going to select beat 2 for example. And as you can see that the beat mark or the marker have been added to my audio, and we can match cut with the beat mark. I'm just going to cut my video like this according to the beat mark. Okay. You just need to adjust it one by one like this. Okay. And alright guys, and that's all the way to match cut with the audio in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.